All that glitters is not gold truly sums up the essence of this video. While the glitz and glamour of Bollywood may feel like a dreamy affair, but life is not that happening and glitzy on the inside. If you know what I mean. Tinseltown beauties are so engrossed in earning fame that relationships and friendship don't last here at all. In the rat race of becoming number one, Bollywood actresses make more enemies than friends, some ending up in dirty catfights too. There are many known catfights in the industry that have resulted in animosity between the stars. In today's video, we will walk you through some Bollywood actresses who are sworn enemies and can never be friends again. Our list kickstarts with the most happening rivalry of the present B-Town actresses. Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif are frenemies, and the bone to contention between them was none other than the handsome hunk Ranbir Kapoor. Both have dated Ranbir for a while, but it was reported that Ranbir ditched Deepika and cheated on her with Katrina. Things have turned sour since then, and both have hated each other like anything. Professional rivalry has made things worse for these actresses. Today Ranbir is happily dating Alia, but his ex-girlfriends have not reconciled yet. In recent times, Deepika and Katrina tried mending things between them and Kat attending Deepika's wedding, but the real story is the best known to them. Priyanka Chopra and Kareena Kapoor. I guess you all have enjoyed the final episode of Coffee with Karan show where the guests were our favorite B-Town actresses Kareena and Priyanka. Nobody actually expected them to share the cast together, but things are a lot better now. The cause of tension in their relationship is also due to the same man in their lives, Shahid Kapoor. This hit in their relationship so much that they even made taunting comments on each other from time to time. Once upon a time, they used to be besties as well, but things turned upside down, and all we can see now is bad blood between them. However, things have become amicable now, but they can never ever be together. So don't waste your time thinking if they will work together for a movie. Anushka Sharma and Deepika Padukone. The reason for that tiff is the dashing Ranveer Singh. Anushka was dating Ranveer Singh when he suddenly ditched her because of another actress. And it was none other than the dimpled beauty Deepika Padukone. We know that these two lovebirds are married now, but things weren't smooth initially. Anushka and Deepika Padukone hated each other due to the ex-boyfriend factor, and she even blamed Deepika Padukone for the breakup, and that accused a lot of strain on their friendship. Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi. This is another notable rivalry from yesteryears. The reason being the tough competition between these two contemporaries of the 80s. Both of them were superb with their dancing and acting skills and were counted as top actresses. But the dream to be the best actress in the B-Town turned them into rivals. It was so prominent that Madhuri's Ek Do Teen song, which is a super successful blockbuster even today, turned Sridevi extremely jealous. Priyanka Chopra and Katrina Kaif. This Cold War has a different story to the initiation of rivalry. Both these gorgeous actresses went to participate in an award function, and both of them wanted to be the showstopper. In the function, Katrina was chosen as the showstopper, and Priyanka taunted her by saying that she took her steps back, calling it her greatness. On the other hand, Katrina boasted that she was the choice of the show, that's why she was the showstopper. After that incident, they were never seen together in any event. Aishwarya Rai and Sonam Kapoor. Sonam Kapoor is another actress who doesn't give much thought before saying something in public, and her insensitive comments have often hurt the ego of her fellow Bollywood personalities. Do you remember the episode where she labeled Aishwarya Rai as auntie from another generation? Ash didn't do anything to provoke her, but this comment irked her and another rivalry began. Though Sonam apologized for her comments later, but the damage was already made. Aishwarya refused to walk on Khan's red carpet with her that year, and ultimately Sonam's dreams were ruined. Kareena Kapoor and Bipasa Basu. The cat fight is a talk of the town, and the news of that dirty fight became viral on the sets of the movie Ajnabi. The fight took such an ugly turn that Kareena slapped Bipasa and also called her as Kali Billi. Insulting, right? The latter then decided to never work with Kareena again in future. Both haven't crossed paths after that and stopped commenting about each other publicly. Karina also commented on John Abraham, who was at that time Bipasha's boyfriend, regarding his acting skills and facial expressions. In return, Bipasha commented on Coffee with Karan that Karina had too many facial expressions while acting. Rani Mukherjee and Aishwarya Rai. The Bachchan Bahu also the enemies in the industry, just like her saas. The tiff between Rani and Aishwarya is due to her husband Abhishek Bachchan. Before Aishwarya made her entry in Abhi's life, he was quite close to Rani and even dated her for a while. Their on-screen chemistry in Bunty Aur Bubbly can't be forgotten. She was about to be the Bachchan Bahu, but things didn't fall into place due to reasons best known to the couple. Soon after the breakup, Abhishek started dating Aishwarya and wedding happened eventually. Since then, both these ladies are not in good terms. The tiff is so strong that Rani wasn't even invited to the wedding. Ash also threatened Abhishek to not sign any projects with Rani. Jaya Bachchan and Rekha. This is one of the oldest yet one of the most talked about catfights in Bollywood. The bone of the contention between them is none other than the living legend Mr. Big B. Both these gorgeous ladies fell for the same man. While Jaya was successful in saving her marriage and stopped Amitabh from signing movies with her in future, the tiff between the ladies have still remained in fact. They avoid each other in public places. Kangana Ranaut and Deepika Padukone. The Manikarnika queen is also known to speak her mind and doesn't shy away from expressing her thoughts in public. She is often accused of indulging in washing dirty laundry in public, due to which she is concerned by the rest of the Bollywood industry. Want to know her reaction of the enmity of the Padmavat queen? Well, as expected, she taunted Deepika Padukone in her recent remark about all the negativity and jealousy shrouding her in the industry. Deepika also answered her back silently by not sending her an invite on her wedding in almost every Bollywood celeb was called. Aishwarya Rai and Sushmita Sen. The rivalry dates back in the time of Miss India beauty pageant. While both of them have refrained from mudslinging in public places, their Cold War has always been on the top. While both have always vouched for the top spot in the pageant, unfortunately Sushmita made it to the top. But if you look at the career graphs, Ash has much glorifying Bollywood career and fame status compared to Sushmita. Let's not forget that she is the Bahu of the golden family of Bollywood, the Bachchans. Well, if you are waiting for them to share the silver screen together, then I'm really very sorry to foil your expectations, as it is something next to impossible. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Telechakkar for more such updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.